Hello everyone, this is Al-Ahmadi Abdurrahman from Team 2. Today, Yunus, Dari, Mshari, Ali and I will present our Smart Lock System project. I will be talking today about globalization and standard consideration. For global awareness, it will be helpful to make our houses secure in a smart way. As we know, bank robberies have caused so many serious incidents, death for examples. So we believe our project will help them for better security. Who has never forget keys during emergency time and be in trouble all because of that? We also believe our project will help in this case. Also, people of developing countries have started to use smart equipment in their daily lives, and this will be a positive point for marketability. In this slide, we will be talking about perspective analysis. Sadia Asif from Dubai, a fourth-year student for British University, guided us regarding the design of the project, keeping in mind the requirement of her society. Also, Paulo from Brazil, studying a bachelor in chemical engineering, helped us regarding the requirement of the people of his country. Next slide, please. For global engagement, we will be updating our design and will add some folders like alarms in it, as most of the people desire to have in this, in order to engage more people. Also, we will be providing a help center for those people to solve acquires of people to gain the trust of the people. Also, we will be focusing on the marketing of the product by explaining the advantage and disadvantage of the device. The whole marketing will be based on the better security of the houses and a smart way of controlling the locks. In our last slide, we will be talking about standard consideration. Standard consideration discuss a different standard of well-known engineering community like IEEE related to a certain project. The three main standards related of our process models are least power, conception, and stability of the system, and strong authentication. Thank you for listening.
Facility analysis discuss different types of facility and evaluate which facility is most important for a project by giving certain score and weight to each facility by comparing with other. The technical facility explains about the facility of technologies involved in a project, and the economic facility discuss about the cost of different components and how it is economically effective. Marketing facility deals with the marketing aspect of a project. And for the schedule facility, tells us about the different schedule time span for different phase of a project during the development process. And for the resource facility, talks about the availability of different components involved of a project. And in legal facility, describes about the project details ethically, legally, and how certain project is fulfilling the legal requirements. Weight table describes the conversion between different types of facilities by giving certain value of a score out of 10 to each facility. And for the risk analysis, we have the brainstorming. If hardware is not delivered on time and there is a delay in starting work on it. The failure and completion of the project in the given time frame. Damaging of part by logistic. And we have an increase in cost in the calculated one. Fairly of delivering the main idea of a project to people and marketing. And we have a fishbone diagram. We have here the cost, technical, and marketability and conversion to the risk. and we have the risk exposure matrix. The risk daily due to the hardware availability, daily to the project management error, increase of cost, marketability, and damaging of part are classified as a risk A, B, C, D, and E respectively. A, B, and E can be minimized but can be eliminated. We will be taking some predictions. The order of the hardware will be placed before time, and every part of the test and verified before using in design. The project timeline and design will be followed. For D, the marketing trend of different will be learned through some online source. While minimizing cost, the design will be verified and will be minimized to make the project less costly.
Plan of action discusses about different actions that are performed while developing in prototype in terms of location, period, cost, etc. Plan of action is divided into two parts: statement of work breakdown, structure. Work breakdown structure explains how the different tasks are divided in different intervals of time, how much cost is needed at each phase, and how these tasks are divided among team members. Gantt charts and PERT charts are used to represent progress of a project under the different time intervals. Okay. Cost table gives the estimated value of cost of each component being used in our proposed system, while table of work division shows how we have divided the task among team members for timely completing project.
Hello everyone, let me explain the multidisciplinary aspect. A team having diverse skills set lead to the successfully competition of a project in multi-discipline of life. Diversity of team members: Abdurrahman Al-Ahmadi, team lead; Ali Al-Dosari, technical work and hardware; Ali Dari Al-Dhufiri, technical work and software; Yunus Al-Anzi, content writer; Shari Shreyan, business analyst. For this slide, I will explain personally for each group member. Abdurrahman Al-Ahmadi, Bachelor of Electrical Engineering, his skill MATLAB and Arduino. Ali Al-Dosari, Bachelor of Electrical Engineering, his skill MATLAB, C++ and C programming. Dari Al-Dhufiri, Bachelor of Electrical Engineering, MATLAB, Java programming, C++ and C programming skills. Yunus Al-Anzi, Bachelor of Electrical Engineering, MATLAB, Arduino and signal processing. Shari Shreyan, Bachelor of Electrical Engineering, his skill MATLAB, Arduino and C programming. Budget. It plays an essential part for making the project cost effective by analyzing the price of different components. All the competition will be purchases for developing the complete system of smart lock system. Different hardware components required for our project as follows: Raspberry Pi controller, dial pad, optical fingerprint sensor, Bluetooth modules, set of wires, resistors, power supply. This budget chart shows the estimate cost for each component used in our proposed system.
Every project is divided into 4 levels. Each table shows how input is given to the model at certain level, and what is the possible output at that level along with some parts. Like level 0, end product is considered like a box. Level 1, describe project in terms of different models. Level 2, explains at what level in terms of individual sensor. Level 3, theoretical study is considered as output and circuit diagram design. Along with the final prototype, there are other deliverables for a project to completely understand and analyze it. Final report shows the complete detail about the development process of a project. Final presentation describes about the final prototype and how it is demonstrated. Source code tells root level description of an interfacing of sensor. Video shows complete proof of the prototype. We conclude that theoretical design and literature review plays a vital role of the success of any project and to get better insight of project. Thank you for listening and have a good day.